See in 100 seconds. File I/O reading. We need stdio for file operations and stdlib for the return code. Everything we need is in these two headers. Fopen opens a file. Pass the path and the mode R for reading. It returns a file pointer, or null, if the file does not exist. Always check for null. If the file is missing or you lack permissions, fopen fails silently. The null check catches it. Fgets reads one line at a time into a buffer. It stops at the new line or when the buffer is full. Loop until it returns new L. That means end of file. fclose releases the file handle. Always close when you are done. Open handles leak resources. fgetc reads one character at a time. It returns an int, not a char, because EOF is a special value that does not fit in a char. Three lines read from the file, each with a line number. 48 characters total, counting the new lines. Open, read, close. That is the file reading pattern in C. Next up, file writing with fprint and fputs.